we're gonna change the oil on the bug.
You will need a gasket set, a 10 mil socket, and some brake cleaner. Loosen the sump plate nuts. Once loose, unscrew by hand. Be careful not to drop the washers. Once 5 of them are out, leave the last one in while the oil drains. Remove the sump plate and let the oil continue to drain. Next, we will remove the oil screen and gaskets. There will be one gasket on either side of the oil screen. You can throw away the old gaskets. Next, we will clean the oil screen and sump plate. I like to use brake cleaner to get them really clean. You should also clean the sump plate nuts. You will place a new gasket, then the oil screen. Now you put on another gasket and then the sump plate. Hand tighten the sump plate nuts. Then snug them up with a socket. Not too tight. Now it's time to fill the oil. We like to use a funnel. Fill up to the second line on the dipstick. Don't put in too much.
Thanks for watching, guys.